Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix downloaded files not showing up in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, power on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to fully load. It's important to let everything boot up completely before making any changes to your system settings. Once your PC is ready and you're on your desktop, we're going to start by checking your browser's download location. Go ahead and open Google Chrome. Once the browser window is open, look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a three-dot menu icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the list that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can adjust various browser preferences and configurations. Now on the settings page, direct your attention to the left-hand side menu. You'll see several categories listed there. Look for and click on Downloads. This section controls where Chrome saves your downloaded files and how it handles them. Once you're in the download settings, you'll immediately see the default location where your browser stores downloaded files. This path shows you exactly where Chrome is placing your downloads, and if this location has been changed or is pointing to an inaccessible folder, that could be the reason your files aren't showing up where you expect them. If you're having trouble locating your downloads directory or it seems to be missing entirely, we need to restore Windows default folder settings. To do this, open any File Explorer window on your computer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon in your taskbar or pressing Windows key plus E. With File Explorer open, click on the View tab located at the top of the window. This tab contains various options for how you view and organize your files and folders. In the View tab, you'll see several icons and options. Look for the Options drop-down and click on it. This will open a Folder Options window with multiple tabs and settings. Within the Folder Options window, you'll see a button labeled Restore Defaults. Go ahead and click this button. This is a powerful troubleshooting step because it resets all your essential Windows folders, including the Downloads folder, to their original default state. If your Downloads folder was accidentally moved, deleted, or misconfigured, this action will restore it to its proper location and settings. Give Windows a moment to apply these changes. And that's it. You've now fixed the issue of downloaded files not showing up in Windows 11 by verifying your browser's download location and restoring your system folders to their default state. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.